Hi guys, Dr. Joe Brown. So this is step 2 or part 2 of this alkaline water conversation of why are we using this machine, what's the differences in the medical grade of water. As you can see from video number 1, I have not shut the machine off. I'm picking right back up of where we left this here, okay? But it's easier to do this kind of in sections so that if you miss something, you can go back and watch whichever video you need to, okay? So part 2 of this video here, if you can kind of zoom in here for me, if you notice I'm running this still on pH 9.5, you can see by that little indicator light, and up here you notice it says KANGEN, okay? Which means this arrows that are going this way is telling you that the machine is on, okay? So what we're gonna do here, let's zoom out here for a second. What I wanna show you here is, this is your pH chart. You can see by the green area where it says 7.0, that's neutral. If you go to the left, that's acidic, down here in this orange area. And if you go to the right, heading up towards the blue and the dark purple, that's alkaline. This is where you want to be, no matter what you're dealing with, or quite frankly, if you're dealing with nothing. So I use this in my office for cancer patients and chronically ill people all the time. But I also use this for myself, my family, and everybody else. I want you to get away from drinking bottled water or reverse osmosis water, because that stuff lies down here in this orange category, okay? And the thing that I want you to remember, and I don't want you to kind of stare at this pH chart too long here, but the point I'm trying to make is that it doesn't matter if you have a health condition going on or you don't have anything going on, you have to quit drinking reverse osmosis or purified water. Because what purified water is it's water coming out of some tap, okay? It is not coming out of some beautiful glacier mountain with ice caps on it from Colorado or Siberia, Russia, or somewhere else. It's coming out of the tap water of Arizona, California, New York, or wherever else, where we know, and you can look this up online from the government's websites, that the chemicals that are in the water, the chlorine count that's in the water, is super, super toxic, and you don't want to be drinking it, okay? So when you go to the grocery store or you pay for Dasani water, Arrowhead water, Perrier water, or any of the other waters that are out there, or you're buying these 5-gallon jugs for your office or for your home that is this reverse osmosis filtered water, it makes no difference of what company it's coming from. Once you do reverse osmosis to a water, you are pulling all the electrolytes and minerals out of the water, which is dropping it from 7.0 all the way down here into this orange category. Why is that super bad for you? Because when you are pulling out all of those electrolytes and minerals out of your water, and you're drinking this water on a daily basis, you are leaching the minerals right out of your bones out into the bloodstream. And if you do this day after day, week after week, month after month, year after year, you are depleting yourself of electrolytes, which means you're dehydrating yourself. You're also going to cause osteoporosis. And when you are drinking an acidic pH of water, and here's the key, the more things you do in life that causes your body to go acidic, you are putting your body at direct risk for bacterial infections, viral infections, fungal infections. Immune system does not work as well when you are acidic. You're putting yourself at direct risk for cancer. You're putting yourself at direct risk for osteoporosis, as well as a host of other conditions. So bottom line is, I don't care what water you're drinking, quit drinking reverse osmosis purified water. It's bad for you, okay? A year and a half ago, the front page of the New York Times showed how bad reverse osmosis water was. You can, again, look this up online. How bad reverse osmosis water is and why you shouldn't be drinking it, okay? So now that I've explained the pH chart for you, let's actually test this water. So as you can see here, for the last couple minutes, I've been running this on 9.5 water. I'm going to take this cup, which is just a clear cup here, and I'm just going to fill this cup here with 9.5 pH water, okay? I'm going to shut the machine off completely. And as you can see, the machine self-cleans itself. So when you purchase this, there's very minimal cleaning, if any, that you need to do to this, okay? So as you can see, I just put 9.5 water in here. I'm shutting this off for a second. This is pH test liquid drops, just like you check any pool water, hot tub water, or any pool water with to test the pH. I'm putting 1 drop into there. And you can see here, see how nice and dark purple that water is there? If you look at the pH chart, which I was just showing you here, now I was running this pH on 9.5 water, if you look right here. I was running that on 9.5, as you can just see here, because I never shut the water off here. And if you zoom in here on this pH chart, technically we should be in the blue area since I was running this in 9.5. But as you can notice, I ran this water a little bit slower. And if you look at the color of that water, what color is it? It's purple, which means it's actually in the 10.0, 10.5 region of pH. Okay? Very, very alkaline. This is exactly what you want to be drinking. Every time you drink water, you're going to steam your vegetables, you are going to make something. Any food that you're cooking with, anytime you're using water, anytime you're drinking water, you want to be drinking alkaline water, not neutral and definitely not acidic, reverse osmosis purified water, okay? So, let me dump this out here for a second, and we're going to cap up this video here. I'm just going to put this on the tap water for a second, and we're going to conclude this section of the video. So what I'm doing is I'm just rinsing that cup out. And now what I want to do is I want to put tap water in here from the city of Tempe. I'm going to use those same pH test liquid drops. I'm putting the same 1 drop in the water. And let me show you the pH difference. See how that water, and it's very hard to see, it's barely a faint green color, which is exactly that 7.0 right here, okay? The whole key to why you want to drink alkaline water and not drink acidic water is because on this pH scale, you need to move in that direction. It's very, very important. Now, when we shoot part 3 of this video here, I'm going to explain exactly on this pH chart why this is so important. So make sure you tune in because this is very, very important, and you don't have to be an organic chemistry major to understand this. It's very easy, but a lot of people, they aren't taught this, or quite frankly, they were taught it and they don't really remember it because they don't know how to apply it to real life, okay? So part 3 of this video, I'm going to go into exactly this discussion, okay? So again, thanks for watching. I'm Dr. Joe Brown. Don't forget to subscribe to the videos and you'll get all these videos for free, okay? Need to lose weight, blood sugar's out of control, diabetes medication not working, try my all-natural blood sugar weight control. Lose weight now, keep it off. Take control of your diabetes. Get your life back. To order this product or to see a complete list of all Dr. Brown supplements, contact me at drjoebrown.com.